Mute లో ఉన్నా.
Some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Here we can measure the exterior angles. Suppose we can start a point and then we go forward and turn to left side. Then here the straight line making angle is 1 degree. That is the first angle. And again at B we can take the turn through at point B with the angle A. Then again go forward and again we can take the turn at C through angle 2. Again we can go forward and take turn through at angle 3, and we can reach us to up to E. Then again we can turn at angle take turn at angle 4 and here join with A. Here at A the angle is 5. Here the sum of the exterior angles, it is equal to 360 degrees. Why? Because when we start a point A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A, it makes the some circle. Whatever the circle it is there, not as same radius, but we are making a complete rotation. Rotation means that makes the 360 degrees. So here the sum of the in any polygon, in that how many sides are there, that doesn't matter. That depends on the just when we start a point and we reaches to the same point, then it makes the 360 degrees. From that we can say that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Either it is regular or irregular polygons, whatever the polygons. But in this, we can remember one note point. If the exterior angles, how many are there? That doesn't matter about the sides. If we want to find out the side, n equal to number of sides, we want to calculate the number of sides of a polygon. When we know one exterior angle in a regular polygon. In a regular polygon means in the regular polygon, the sides and angle should be equal. So in that case, we divide 360 degrees with the x degrees, we get the number of the sides of a regular polygon. It's a regular polygon. Regular polygon means we know the angles and sides should be equal. In the same way, if we want the exterior angle, then exterior angle is equal to, or exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to, we know the sides, that is 360 degrees by n, we get the exterior angle of the regular polygon. Why? Because each and every exterior angle is equal in the regular polygon. We are not discuss about the irregular. Just if we want to find out the number of sides for regular polygon, when we know the angle. In the same way, when we know the side in a regular polygon, we can find out the exterior angle. Here we are discussing some example. Here find the measure of x in figure 1. Here it's an irregular polygon. A, B, C, D. Why? Because the exterior angles are not equal. For whatever the exterior angles, if we want to measure the exterior one, if we know the 3, the n-1 angles, we want to find out the one angle means in the exterior of any polygon, we know that the sum of the angles is equal to 360 degrees. So by using the sum of angles of exterior polygon, sum of exterior angles of polygon is equal to 360 degrees. This is the condition of the exterior angle. Here we can write the summation of the known angles and unknown angles. That is x plus 90 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 110 degrees equal to 360 degrees. Here x equal to 90 plus 110, 200. 200 plus 50, 250. 360 degrees minus 250 degrees. Subtract. The x equal to 110 degrees. So the exterior angle is equal to 110 degrees. The same way we are discussing the second example problem. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees, and one more thing is regular polygon. If we want to find out a regular polygon means, again we can recall the definition. Regular polygon means each and every exterior angle or interior angles are same. All angles, regular polygon means equal angles and equal sides. Equal length of sides, not equal sides, equal length of sides. So here we know the x degrees equal to exterior angle of regular polygon. It is equal to 45 degrees. We know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal to 360 degrees. We want the number of sides. The number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by x degrees. It is equal to 360 degrees by 45 degrees. 45 8s 360 degrees. So it is the octagon. The regular polygon is the octagon. The number of sides equal to 8. Okay. Next, exercise 3.2. Here we are discussing the problems on the exercise of the sum of the measuring angles of the exterior of any polygon. Here the first question is find x in the following figures. Find x in the following figures. The first one is, it is 125 degrees, it is x degrees. This is 125 degrees. See here, we know that it's a polygon. It's a polygon means we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon (360 degrees). So here x degrees plus 125 degrees plus 125 degrees equal to 360 degrees. So x equal to 360 degrees, 125 plus 125 is 250 degrees. It is equal to 110 degrees. So the third exterior angle is 110 degrees. Okay. the second one in this B bit, we can draw the diagram here. Here it is 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. It is 90 degrees. Here 70 degrees. This is X. Here from the figure, we know that it is a straight line, means it is 90 degrees, means this is also 90 degrees. Here it is 90 means internal is also, interior angle also 90. It is 70 degrees. We want to find out the X degrees. This is also a polygon. We know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal to 360 degrees. So here known degrees are known exterior angles are 90 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 70 degrees plus X degrees equal to 360 degrees. Here X degrees equal to 360 degrees. Here 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus 90, 240. 240 plus 70, 310. 310 degrees. From this, X equal to 50 degrees. So X equal to 50 degrees. Again, you can add 90 plus 90, 180. 70 plus 60, 130 plus 50, 180. So it's 360 degrees. Okay. Just we can remember the point is the sum of exterior angle of a angles of a polygon equal to 360 degrees. Okay. Next, second question. The second problem, find the measure of each exterior angle. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon. It is very, very important. Regular polygon of 9 sides. First case, 15 sides. Here we know that the number of sides of a regular polygon equal to, here not number of sides, here the number of sides they have given the number of sides, so we want to find out the exterior angle. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to 360 degrees by number of sides. Why? Because in the regular polygon, the length of the sides are same. When we know the number of sides, so we can find out the exterior angle. Why? Because in the regular polygon, each and every exterior angle is also same. Here they have given n equal to 9 equal to number of sides. So from that, we can find out the first case, exterior angle. Exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides equal to 360 degrees by 9, it is equal to 40 degrees. 9 4 is 36, 40 degrees. In the second case, exterior angle of a regular polygon having the 15 sides, that is equal to 15 2s are 15 4s are 24 degrees. So in the 15 sides, the exterior angle is 24 degrees. If the regular polygon having the 9 sides, the exterior angle is 40 degrees. Okay, that is the answer. Third question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle in a regular polygon? See, here we know the exterior angle. We have to find out the number of sides, means the number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by exterior angle. It is the formula. Here we can find out the number of sides. They have given the exterior angle. The exterior angle is 24 degrees, let it be x degrees. Here it is also, we can take it as just general basic formula is 360 degrees by x degrees. So here, how many sides? We are getting the number of sides of a polygon, of a regular polygon, is equal to 360 degrees by 24 degrees. Degrees get cancelled. 24 ones are 24, ones are 24. Here 360 is divided with 24. Ones are 24, it's 120. 24 fives are 120. So number of sides n equal to 15. Already we have found in the second B. Next, fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 160 degrees? In a regular polygon, each and every angle is same. The exterior, they have given interior angle. The interior angle of regular polygon equal to 165 degrees. From this, we can find out the exterior angle. Exterior angle of a regular polygon equal to, it should be 180 degrees minus 165 x degrees. We are getting the exterior angle. This is equal to 15 degrees. Okay, when we know the exterior angle, then we can easy to find out the number of sides. We know the formula, that is number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by x degrees. This is nothing but exterior angle. That is the exterior angle of the polygon. So here n equal to 360 degrees by 15 degrees. 15 ones are, 15 twos are, 15 fours are. So the number of sides equal to 24. So number of sides of a regular polygon equal to 24. Next, fifth question. In this, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degrees? We know that here they have given the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to x degrees equal to 22 degrees. If the number of sides equal to 360 degrees by x degrees. Here 360 degrees by 22 degrees. Here 360 divides with 22. 22 ones are 22. It's 140. 22 fives are 120. So 20 is a remainder. So here 20 is not dividing 22. So it is not. No. Why? Because 22 is not divided. Degrees is not divided with 360 degrees. So it is not. Next, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? No. Why? Because if the interior angle means, we know that interior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 degrees minus exterior angle. That is equal to 180 degrees minus 22 degrees. That is equal to 858 degrees. It is also not divisible. Not divisible. Next, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Y. Minimum interior angle. Minimum interior angle means in the regular polygon, the minimum sides. Equilateral triangle having the minimum sides, then which are having the minimum sides, then that is the minimum interior angle. Why? Because it is 3 minus 2 into 180 degrees is equal to 180. If the quadrilateral means 360, the sum of the interior angles equal to 360. So we know that yes, it is equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, interior angle is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. We know that 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Why? Because 180. Here 180 degrees by 3. 3 6 are 18. So interior angle is 60 degrees. Why? Because 3 angles should be equal in the regular polygon. So what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Y. Yes, it is a equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, the interior angle is 60 degrees. If we can take the quadrilateral, regular quadrilateral means 360 degrees. If the 360 degrees is divided with the 4, then it should be 90 degrees. This is the more than of the 60. So the minimum sides in which are there, those are having the minimum interior angle. The second case, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Yes, it is also equilateral triangle. Why? Because the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon having maximum exterior polygon. Why? Because here the exterior polygon equal to 180 degrees minus interior angle. It's not polygon, exterior angle of polygon equal to 180 degrees minus interior angle of polygon. That is 180 degrees minus 60 degrees equal to 120 degrees. So, is it is also equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle having the minimum interior angle, maximum exterior angle. Suppose we are taking the quadrilateral is a square. We are taking square is a quadrilateral for the example. Square has 90 degrees interior angle, then the exterior angle also 90 degrees. So both should be same. So here interior angle is more than the 60, exterior angle is less than the 120 degrees. So in both cases, if maximum exterior angle, minimum interior angle is suitable in the regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Okay.